Give your team the tools they need to visualize their path to sale by integrating your Salesforce instance within Lucidchart. With the Salesforce integration, users will be able to access Lucidchart directly from Salesforce, and all Salesforce linked documents will be shared automatically with the team to ensure alignment across your sales org. As the Lucidchart admin, you'll be able to customize and choose what data is imported from Salesforce into Lucidchart. Your team will then be able to visualize key influencers, roadblocks, and internal relationships by building account maps using the data imported from Salesforce. Within their account maps, users will also be able to create new contacts that sync right back to Salesforce, removing the need for them to switch back and forth between programs. Special features such as Contact Kanban, which automatically groups contacts based on categories like department, speed up the process of building meaningful account maps. Leverage the Salesforce integration within Lucidchart to enable your sales org to make the most of your Salesforce data and close bigger deals faster. In this video, we'll show you how to set up these features for the Lucidchart Salesforce integration. Before setting up this integration, make sure you review the requirements found in the video description. To begin, make sure you're logged into Lucidchart. Then click Team in the left menu to open the Team Admin page. Please note, if Team does not appear in the left sidebar menu, this means you are not a team admin and you do not have access to enable this integration. Contact your company's Lucidchart admin to be given the team admin role. From the Team Admin page, click on the App Integration tile. Next, scroll down and click on the Salesforce tile. From here, you can link your Salesforce instance in Lucidchart. Select Production or Sandbox depending on the Salesforce instance you wish to connect, and click Link Instance. If you're unsure which one to choose, you're most likely using a production Salesforce instance, so select Production. In a new tab, you'll be prompted to log into Salesforce and allow Lucidchart to access your Salesforce data. Once you're done, you'll see a success message indicating that your Salesforce instance has been successfully linked to Lucidchart. Now, go back to the Team Admin page using the Team link in the top menu bar. Click on the Identity Management tile. Make sure that the Allow Salesforce Single Sign-On box is checked. This enables Lucidchart to be launched from Salesforce. Be careful that you don't set Salesforce as the only login or the default login method. Save your changes on this page. Learn how to manage users' access to the Salesforce integration by watching the Managing the Salesforce User Group video.